Welcome to DNTV Hyderabad. Podcast title Understanding the Process of Filing a Case with Legal Services Authorities. Introduction. Welcome to episode 28 of our series Legal Issues Resolution and Legal Services Authority. In this episode, we will guide you through the process of filing a case with legal services authorities, helping you understand each step to ensure that your legal concerns are addressed efficiently. Whether it's a civil matter, family dispute, or labor issue, knowing how to file a case properly is crucial in accessing justice. Let's walk through the process and provide tips on navigating legal services with ease. Segment 1. What are legal services authorities? What are legal services authorities? Legal services authorities are government established bodies that offer free legal aid and services to individuals who cannot afford legal representation. They are set up at the national, state, and district and taluka levels, and their primary aim is to ensure that everyone has access to justice regardless of their financial status. Who can benefit from legal services authorities? Individuals from economically disadvantaged backgrounds, women, children, senior citizens, and marginalized communities can avail of legal assistance through these bodies. Segment 2. The process of filing a case with legal services authorities. Step 1. Approach the nearest legal services authority, LSA. The first step is to approach the nearest district legal services authority, DLSA, state legal services authority, SLSA, or national legal services authority, NLSA. Visit their office or contact them through the available helpline to inquire about legal assistance. Step 2. Submit your application for legal aid. Once you visit the Legal Services Authority office, you will be required to submit an application form for legal aid. The form will ask for details about your case, financial status, and other relevant information. Step 3. Assessment of financial eligibility. Legal services authorities generally provide free legal services to people whose income is below a certain threshold. If you are unable to afford a lawyer or meet the eligibility criteria, legal aid will be provided. Your financial situation will be assessed during the application process. Step 4. Appointment of legal aid lawyer. Once your eligibility is confirmed, a lawyer will be assigned to represent you. The lawyer will guide you through the legal proceedings, explain the steps involved, and provide legal advice. Step 5. Filing the case in court. The legal aid lawyer will help you file your case in the appropriate court, whether it's a civil court, family court, or criminal court. They will help with preparation of documents, evidence, and case filing. Step 6. Court hearings and proceedings. After the case is filed, you will attend court hearings with your legal aid lawyer. The lawyer will represent you and ensure that your case is presented effectively. Step 7. Follow-up and conclusion. Throughout the case, your lawyer will keep you updated on progress and you may need to attend further hearings. After the conclusion of the case, the legal aid lawyer will help you understand the verdict and any follow-up actions needed. Segment 3. Important tips for filing a case with legal services authorities. Prepare necessary documents. Before approaching the legal services authority, gather all relevant documents related to your case, such as identity proof, income proof for legal aid eligibility, and any evidence you have regarding the issue. Be honest about your case. Be transparent with your legal aid lawyer about all details related to your case, as this will help them understand your situation and prepare the case more effectively. Keep track of dates and deadlines. Ensure that you follow any deadlines for filing documents or attending hearings, as missing these can delay the legal process. Seek support from paralegal volunteers, PLVs. If you need help with the paperwork or understanding the legal process, paralegal volunteers, PLVs, are often available to assist you in navigating the system. Segment 4. Benefits of filing a case with legal services authorities. free legal representation. For those unable to afford a lawyer, legal services authorities provide free legal counsel and representation in court. Access to justice for all. Legal aid ensures that people from all walks of life have access to justice, helping to balance the scales between those with financial resources and those without. Faster and simplified process. With the help of legal services authorities, the legal process is often quicker and less complex than going through traditional legal channels, particularly in cases involving the marginalized or vulnerable. Conclusion. Filing a case with legal services authorities is an important step in seeking justice, especially for those who cannot afford traditional legal representation. By understanding the steps involved in the process, you can approach the system with confidence, ensuring your rights are protected. Legal aid empowers individuals to assert their rights and access justice, creating a fairer society for all. Call to action. If you or someone you know needs legal assistance, visit your nearest legal services authority for help. Share this episode to help others understand the process of filing a case and how they can access legal services. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next episode where we continue to explore ways to resolve legal issues and empower individuals to seek justice. Stay informed, stay empowered.